Can I hold the candy while we shop?
Sure, but don't open it yet.
Dad said we only came for groceries. I know. I'm just looking. Excuse me, young man.
Huh? Did you pay for that candy?
No. Mom said later.
He's with me.
Then why is he carrying unpaid merchandise?
Because Mom gave it to him.
That's not how this usually goes.
I wasn't stealing.
That's what they all say.
Excuse me, he is 8 years old.
Shoplifting starts young sometimes.
Mom, I didn't do anything wrong.
I know you didn't, sweetheart. You're accusing him without proof.
I'm doing my job.
Your job does not include humiliating children.
I'm protecting the store.
I was gonna pay for it. He literally just said that.
Kids lie all the time. Not my son. Why won't he believe me? Because he already made assumptions. This is so unfair.
What's unfair is stolen merchandise.
Nothing was stolen.
Then why was he hiding the candy?
I wasn't hiding it. He was holding it in plain sight.
Lower your voice.
Don't speak to my daughter like that.
Mom, I'm scared.
You're okay. Stay beside me.
I need to check his pockets.
Absolutely not.
You can't do that.
I can if I suspect theft.
You suspect an 8-year-old carrying candy beside his mother?
I've seen every trick before.
I'm not a trick.
I'm treating him like a criminal. Stop treating him like a criminal.
Calm down or I'll call security.
Go ahead.
Mom, he's bluffing.
Sir, I need assistance over here. What's the issue? What's the issue? Possible shoplifting.
I didn't steal anything. This is ridiculous. My son was holding candy while shopping.
W-ith me.
He was acting suspiciously.
Suspicious how?
He looked nervous.
I was nervous because he scared me.
Exactly.
He started accusing James immediately.
Because I know what theft looks like.
Did you actually see him steal anything? Not exactly.
So you embarrassed my child based on a guess?
I was being cautious.
Everyone is staring at me. Because this manager made a scene.
I have the right to investigate.
Well, I went to investigate.
And I have the right to defend my son. Ma'am, can you explain exactly what happened?
I handed James the candy while we continued shopping.
I saw the whole thing. You had to eat the tiny pandier.
Kids cover for each other.
Excuse me?
Why does he keep saying bad things about us?
Sir, please remain professional. I am professional.
Professional people don't accuse little kids without proof.
Stay out of adult business.
Don't dismiss my daughter. I want to go home. We will soon, sweetheart.
Not until this is resolved.
Let's settle this. We'll check the cameras in the office.
Fine, let's go.
Are we in trouble?
No, he is.
We're fixing this now.
It happened right by the candy display.
There. Look at the screen. She handed it to him. He didn't take it.
Well, What do you have to say now? I apologize for the misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding? You called him a criminal!
You're all set. Sorry for the trouble, ma'am.
Can we still get the candy?
Yes, James. We're paying for it right now.
Told you we'd win.
Let's go home, kids.
This is the best candy ever.
Here's the camera footage from aisle 7.
Thank you.
There. See? I told the truth.
The child never hid anything.
Exactly. And he stayed beside us the entire time.
Maybe I misunderstood.
Misunderstood? You accused my son of stealing in front of a crowd. Everyone was looking at me, and...
Sir, this situation was handled poorly. I was trying to protect the store.
By scaring an 8-year-old?
That wasn't my intention.
Intentions don't erase humiliation. I thought I was in trouble.
The boy looked terrified.
You should apologize. Fine.
Sorry, kid.
That doesn't sound real.
Because it isn't. Charlotte, my son deserves better than a forced apology.
What more do you want?
Accountability.
I didn't do thing from Verdong.
I didn't do anything wrong.
He didn't.
Finally, someone says it.
Kid stealing is a real problem.
Then deal with actual thieves instead of targeting innocent children.
Am I still allowed to have the candy?
Yes, sweetheart. We're buying it properly. Yes, sweetheart. We're buying it properly. Obviously. Poor kid handled this better than the adults.
I'll report this incident to corporate.
Good.
Can we please go home now? After we pay.
Never let someone make you feel guilty for something you didn't do. Remember that, okay? You did nothing wrong.
Okay.
And next time, I'm arguing even louder. No one gets away with accusing my little brother like that. I noticed you were already loud enough to wake up the whole neighborhood back there.
This really was the worst shopping trip ever.
Yeah, but at least Mom proved you innocent. Now let's go home and finally eat that candy.